Blitz.
Blitz.
Idaho, Montana, Idaho, Montana, Idaho, Montana. Woo!
Hey everybody out there in YouTube Wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. We are on the Idaho border. Actually, we are in Idaho. I just want to say Idaho. And we are on top of Smith Mountain, going down into Smith Lake. Smith Lake holds a special place in my heart because about 40 years ago, when I was 11, you do the math, I came up here on a three-wheeler by myself and I discovered this lake. I had no idea exactly where I was at. I scurried down a shale embankment and I got down to the lake and it was just the bluest, greenest, cleanest lake I think I'd ever seen at that time. And you could just see tons and tons of fish. I forgot to mention that I couldn't find any information at all about this lake online, so I'm kind of going on blind faith that there's going to be a camp spot. I didn't see any vehicles at the trailhead, but I'm seeing, looks like a set of footprints. We have eyes on the lake and we're coming in, and I am not seeing any established campsite as of yet. This could be interesting. Okay, so it looks like there's probably one established campsite and there's somebody there in a tent. So I found this area. I'm gonna have to make a camp again, get a fire ring set up and a place to put the hammock. I was filming some drone footage this morning of the ridge and the mountains behind me, and don't know what happened. I hit return to home and I freaking crashed into a mountain. I lost my drone. I'm a little pissed off because it's gone. That's $500 gone. Yep, I'm pissed. I'm over it. I'm done. This video's done. All right, guys, something good just happened. My fellow camper over there, Clay, is coming to help me. Clay, say hi, Clay.
Hello.
So he's actually gonna go up the chute over here and actually look for my missing drone. He doesn't have to do it. Apparently the guy just likes adventure. It's, for me, as you guys know, I'm afraid of heights. I get super, super bad vertigo. Clay is gonna go around, and then up, and then he's gonna try to go around the backside, and then right about there is where the drone should be. But I don't know, man. Actually restores my faith in humanity a little bit. There are good people out there. He doesn't have to do this. If something happens to him, I'm gonna feel horrible. We have visual on Clay. He's up there by the snow right now, right in that saddle.
We got her. In the back.
Got up there and back
Like an hour.
in an hour.
That's up there. That ravine was pretty nasty.
Let's see how bad she is. Yeah. All right.
Terrible, but not great.
Oh, wow.
That's bad.
Duct tape. I'm just joking.
Damn it.
Dude, high five. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's halfway decent.
It's Sunday morning. I'm heading out of camp. Gonna head down to the old Silver Spur, aka the Slippery Tit. Have myself a Pilgrim, a John Wayne burger. Special thanks to Clay and Tyler hanging out last night. Got to know those guys. And then, of course, Clay went and had to do the old manual recovery of my drone. He didn't have to. I mean, he went way far and beyond. So I owe you, buddy.